morning and welcome to the
International Arbitration Entry-Level course hosted by Justitia Training Center in collaboration with the Chartered Institute of Arbitration Indonesian Chapter.
First of all, I am pleased to welcome everyone to today's International Arbitration Entry-Level course held by CIArb Indonesia Chapter in collaboration with Justitia Training Center. Justitia has opened 40 seats for this event and received 40 participants registered from many institutions for this event. There are 6 participants registered from Kejaksaan Agung Republik Indonesia. There are 11 participants registered from different state-owned enterprise such as Garuda Indonesia. There is Ibu Eni, Hutama Karya, Antam, and so on. And there are also 14 participants registered from different law firms. And the rest of the participants come from the university, legal aid, and also private companies.
It is our pleasure to welcome you all in this course on Introduction to International Arbitration. Thank you so much to our impressive speakers, Mary Thompson. Mary is a past chair of the Chartered Institute of Arbitrators East Asia branch, is an international arbitrator and mediator, and also a chartered arbitrator. Sitting next to Mary is Karen Mills. I think she needs no introduction. If you Google up international arbitration in Indonesia, her photograph probably show up. She is also a chartered arbitrator and an international arbitrator and mediator as well. And please use this opportunity. It's not every year that we have the approval from the headquarters to conduct an entry course. So this is very valuable. Again, as mentioned, please ask any question to Mary, to Karen, to any of the tutors.
After successful completion, you are then eligible to apply for the associate grade membership. So later on, we will inform you on the membership levels in this Chartered Institute of Arbitrators. Now, the course that you are taking is for the associate grade membership, the CIArb.
What is arbitration? May I just have a show of hands? How many of you have been involved, whether as a lawyer or whether, in some other role in arbitrations, that I know the knowledge level? I'm a full-time arbitrator now. I no longer practice as a lawyer. And another way of describing an arbitrator is a private judge, but we don't sit in a court. We're in a private setting of a arbitration.
Then you may have certain qualifications, you may have required certain qualifications in your arbitration clause, in which case the arbitrators have to have those qualifications. But you do want to make sure that the arbitrator you appoint is at least slightly familiar with the field, is competent, hopefully has sat in arbitrations before, and really has the time. You want to look to where they are and so on and so forth.
I was just speaking to someone just now who acquired a qualification in arbitration, in international arbitration. And the word he used about having this qualification was it made your opportunities boundless. And I have this message to those who are starting out in this is the first level of the introduction course. Please do carry on, because you will find, even if you're not practicing law, whatever you're doing, it is useful. It's knowledge.
If you want to become an arbitrator, you need to have some experience, some certification. The most important certification in the world is Chartered Institute. So it's the beginning of the path to getting a fellowship, which is the beginning of the path to being able to arbitrate, particularly internationally. I hope that they do the best that they can, and definitely should join Chartered Institute and become involved in the Chartered Institute activities.
The subjects that we deliver today, along with Pak Suwar today, is how to organize arbitral proceedings effectively. I think as an arbitrator, you have to be well prepared in preparing the arbitration users, the claimants, the respondents for the upcoming hearing. And how you should be prepared, it all depends on the complexity of the case, the length of the proceedings, but it all boils down to the preparation. You have to be prepared, and you have to be able to anticipate the needs of the clients, the needs of the users, and you have to be able to cater to their preferences.
I believe one of the most important sections, because we need to understand how arbitration proceedings are organized to ensure it is organized effectively and, of course, fairly.
We hope the participants will gain more understanding and more interest in international arbitration. We hope that they will take part in further activities of the Chartered Institute, and also to be an active member and belong to the largest community of international arbitration practitioners.
I would love to have them join us, Chartered Institute of Arbitrators, as members. So after they passed the exam, I hope that they would continue to join us as members and be active in Indonesia Chapter, and probably would also pursue a higher level degree of membership, because what we held is for the associate level, and hopefully they will also join for a higher degree of membership, which is members or fellow or even chartered arbitrators.
Well, let me congratulate first to the Justitia Training Center for conducting this event. This event is very important, and Justitia Training Center can work with an international recognized chapter of arbitrators, and they're being certified. I hope the participants will have a good knowledge, solid knowledge, and so that when they have to appear before an arbitration, international arbitration, they can defend or they can make a lawsuit in arbitration a better lawsuit. So, and then they can convince the arbitrators of the perspective of their clients.
Tempat pelatihan yang menyenangkan, tempat pelatihan yang bagus, materi yang disajikan merupakan materi-materi yang benar-benar relate dengan kejadian di aktual pekerjaan, dengan pemateri yang berpengalaman, dan agenda pelatihan yang variatif. Sangat membantu dalam memahami kasus hukum yang bersifat global dan strategi serta cara penanganan secara akurat. Sukses terus Justitia!
I think that the organizer has managed very well for this international certification. The materials and the lecture are very knowledgeable. They share deeply concerning the arbitration process and the law regarding the arbitration. I think the organizers are very great in manage these events.
Justitia mengemas acara training ini sangat profesional, applause buat itu. Terus pemilihan tempat dan juga tim supportnya sangat well maintained karena semuanya tuh udah ada, nggak perlu dikasih tahu lagi lah. Misalnya linknya udah ada, dokumen bisa cari di mana, guidance-nya juga lengkap, jadi profesional. Thank you.